Hello friends, welcome to Anu's Food Cart. Wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. Today I'm going to share with you guys the recipe of Ferrero Rocher because my husband is a die-hard fan of it and so am I. It's apt for Valentine's Day as well. Without any further delay, let us quickly jump into the recipe.
I have taken 24 waffle shells, 3 tablespoons of Nutella, 3/4 cup of dark chocolate and half a cup of milk chocolate, half a cup of finely chopped cashew nuts, and 12 dry roasted hazelnuts.
All the ingredients listed in this recipe are available at cake decorating and confectioner stores. Usually Ferrero Rocher is made up of just milk chocolate, but milk chocolate is really sweet and I don't like my chocolate to be very sweet. That is why I have combined dark chocolate and milk chocolate together, but if you want your chocolates to be very sweet, just add milk chocolate to it.
I have melted the chocolate. Place the bowl of chocolate onto a bowl of hot water and stir the chocolate continuously until it melts properly.
You can melt the chocolate in the microwave as well. Place the bowl of chocolate in the microwave and heat it on high power for a minute. Make sure to take it out every 20 seconds and stir it really well just to ensure that the chocolate is not burnt from any side. Be very careful while melting the chocolate. You shouldn't overheat the chocolate because if it is overheated, it gets burnt and you can use it for nothing else. You just have to discard it. So be very careful while melting the chocolate.
Add 2 tablespoons of melted chocolate to Nutella and mix well until well combined. The chocolate shouldn't be hot while doing this. Take a waffle shell and fill it up with the Nutella mix. Place a hazelnut and keep it aside. Take another waffle shell and fill 3/4 of it with the Nutella mix. Now join both the hemispheres to form a ball. Do not press it hard because the shells are very delicate. Similarly, prepare all the waffle balls and freeze it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now take a waffle ball and drop it into the melted chocolate. Coat the ball well with the chocolate and lift it carefully with a fork. Now tap the fork slowly so that the excess chocolate falls off into the bowl just as shown in the video. Drop the chocolate coated ball into the bowl of finely chopped cashew nuts. Now coat it well with the cashews as shown in the video. Be very careful with it. Freeze it for 5 minutes once done so that the nuts stay intact. After 5 minutes, drop the ball into melted chocolate and coat it with a layer of chocolate. Now tap off the excess chocolate just as we have done before and place it onto a plate lined with butter paper or parchment sheet. Now freeze it for 5 minutes. Here our Ferrero Rocher is ready. Let's pack it now. I have taken a gold color wrapping foil and cut it into a small rectangle. You'll get these foils easily in any chocolate decorating or confectionery store. Place the chocolate in the foil and wrap it well as shown in the video. Place it into a small brown paper cup and here we have it ready.
The chocolate which I have made is really big when compared to that of store-bought ones because I have given a thick layer of chocolate and nuts to it. You can customize it according to your taste as well.
Let us just cut it open to compare it with real Ferrero Rocher. Can you see? Both look similar.
That's it for this recipe. Wasn't it very easy? This is my gift to my Valentine, my husband, who is the backbone of this channel. Thank you so much for your support. Try out this recipe at home and gift it to your Valentine because it's going to be really special as you have made it. Let me know through the comment section below how it turned out for you and how your Valentine liked it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for many more such amazing recipes, and also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day once again, and I'll catch you guys with another yummy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye. You can melt microwave in the chocolate as